Artificial intelligence is all around us, promising exciting advancements and incredible convenience. But behind the shiny facade, there are some serious issues we overlook. Let's dive into the dark side of AI that rarely gets talked about. First up, job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it automates tasks, which can lead to massive job losses, especially in industries like manufacturing and retail. Imagine thousands of people struggling to find new work. The shift can create a bigger gap in economic equality that's concerning for our future. Then we have ethical concerns. AI isn't always fair. It can carry biases from the data it learns from. For example, if biased data is used for hiring processes, it can unfairly exclude talented individuals. It's crucial we address this to build a fairer system. Next is privacy. With AI collecting vast amounts of data, our personal information is at risk. We must ask ourselves, how safe are we really? In summary, awareness of these dark aspects is essential. If you found this informative, like, subscribe, and share to help spread the word. Let's keep this conversation going.